Hey, what is up, guys? And welcome to another video. So in this video, I will be doing a complete rear housing replacement on a iPhone 12. Now, I brought this from an eBay seller. I'll post the link in the description. So I'm not sure exactly how they do it, but this is pulled from an iPhone 12. It's grade A, no scratches or anything. I did, however, I had to clean the adhesive that was previously on here. And they got the little stickers on here, I guess for warranty purposes. If you say something's not working, yada, yada, yada. And I did have to clean the iPhone speaker grill because it did show signs that it was dirty. And I also had to clean inside the charging port. I'm not sure if it's from sitting, but it was a ton of debris inside of there. But even with the flashlight in there, even without the light, you can see it's still some discoloration and stuff. So I do have another charging port coming in, an OEM charging port. So that'll be in an upcoming video. But besides those minor things, this is pretty much perfect. Oh, the SIM tray I also had to purchase separately. It doesn't come with the SIM tray for some reason. It's either they forgot or whatever the case is, but it wasn't bad. I bought another one off of eBay, brand new, for $6, $7 after taxes. So what we're doing, this is the same iPhone from the previous video where I replaced this screen because one of the rare and very, very slim chances of the screen breaking with a glass screen protector on it happened to me. So the screen was replaced in the previous video. As you see, I still got the little plastic on here and so on. So first things first, what you want to do is power off the device. Wait for that to turn off. You can see it's still on. All right, now it's off. So now we can sit there, start taking the screen apart. And also, if you watched the previous video, I did not put that waterproof adhesive that goes on the back of the screen, which it also goes around the frame on, because I knew I was going to be reopening this iPhone. Plus the battery on here is at 81%, so it's close to being needing a replacement. This one, I'm not sure the battery percentage or life expectancy or the battery health on this iPhone yet, but we'll see as soon as we swap everything over. So what comes on this, the SIM tray still intact, the speaker portion is still intact, some of the antennas, speakerphones, the Taptic engine still in here, and a couple sensors and stuff like that. The volume button, the lock, silent, all that still intact. Pretty much everything is still intact. The only thing I'm seeing missing is the camera, the motherboard, and it's pretty much it besides what's in the front of the phone. So no further ado, what we're going to do
watch out if you ignite him. He's a road ahead of full prophecy to be the greatest beast the world has ever seen. I feed him every day like the bones clean. I feed him all the hate and he grows me, and he gets claws real big, pissed off quick. And if you cross him, you might drop dead. Metaphorically, of course, settling the score, never getting bored, loves the blood and gore, always wanting more freedom from the source. They don't really understand until they feel the force departed. If you start shit, you'll be heartless in the darkness, torn apart quick. You left scars ripped, you'll be chewed up and discarded.
And this world ain't right, won't accept it. Negative energy, I expect it. Once it's in your mind, it's infectious. So fight for your life and reject it. You better give me space, I'm protective. My adrenaline spikes when I'm threatened. And if you stay in my way, I'm aggressive. Cause when there's no exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate.
Adrenaline pressure, it's stormy weather, lightning, thunder, pouring weather. Yo, I'm a go-getter, try to do it like me, but I do it better. I got a mind that's clever, the beast inside is competitive as ever. I'm conscious, my subconscious, an accomplice to me. I promise the darkness, I can honest believe. But don't cross me, I might lose control of the lost beast. He's locked away inside with the key controlled by fight or flight.
And this world ain't right, won't accept it. Negative energy, I expect it. Once it's in your mind, it's infectious. So fight for your life and reject it. You better give me space, I'm protective. My adrenaline spikes when I'm threatened. And if you stay in my way, I'm aggressive. Cause when there's no exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate.
like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear I weighed the person you are.